Paano magiging ganito ka-kissable ang lips mo kahit hindi ka nagli-lipstick? Isang lips sa unang napapansin ng tao, especially if you talk to them. Sa lips is where your words are coming out. Sa lips din nanggagaling ang smile mo. Kaya oftentimes, binabanggit or nire-raise agad ito sa'yo. Gaya ng, uy, bakit parang ang putla mo? Hala, ang dry ng lips mo. Or di kaya naman, wow, parang ang healthy ng labi mo. Pulang-pula. Or, anong lipstick ang gamit mo? You see, it works and vice versa. Depende sa itsura ng lips mo. And no wonder why people are investing in lipsticks. Pero ano nga ba ang lipstick? Let's define it first. According to Cambridge Dictionary, lipstick is a colored substance that is put on the lips to improve their color. Basically, it gives life to our lips. Ang mga lipsticks ay karaniwang gawa sa tatlong basic ingredients such as wax, oil, and pigments. Ang wax ay nagbibigay ng shape at spreadable texture. Oil is for moisture naman. And of course, the pigment is for color. Moreover, on the historical side, isang ancient Egyptians sa mga gumagamit ng lipstick to signal and symbolize their social status. While in ancient China naman, originally ginagamit ang lipstick sa mga religious ceremony kung saan ang mga pinagkukuhaan nila nito ay ang dugo ng hayop, minerals at mga katas ng halaman. Now, lipsticks comes in different types. Merong sheer lipsticks, matte, glossy, tints, creamy, at marami pang iba. Depende na lang sa choices mo and what you think suits your lips. Bukod dito, syempre, kaakibat din nito ang presyo. Everything has a price. Ika nga. Mas magandang quality, mas mahal. However, available din sa market ang mga pasok sa budget na lipsticks. Presyong estudyante, presyong pangmasa. It ranges from 50 pesos to as high as 5,000 pesos plus. Again, depende sa brand at quality. But the question is, do you have the consistency, resources, and time para mag-lipstick araw-araw? Obviously, no. There will be days na super tight ang schedule mo at wala ka ng time na mag-ayos pa. Kaya wala kang jowa. Joke! Pero, huwag kang mag-alala. What if I tell you that you can still be kissable lips kahit hindi ka mag-lipstick?
Ha? Pwede ba yun?
Yes, pwede. And that is what we call lip tattoo. Kung may tattoo sa balat, syempre, meron din sa lips. Lip tattoo is a type of semi-permanent makeup and a professional procedure kung saan naglalagay ng color pigments sa labi using small tattooing needles. The pigment or the color of the ink will depend on your choice kung anong shade ang gusto mo para sa lips mo. Merong natural looking lang. Meron ding para kang nakasuot agad ng lipstick. This tattoo treatment can last from 1 to 3 years considering the lifestyle factors. At mapapansin mo rin, eventually, the pigment will fade naturally at maglalighten ito over time. Also, yes, there will be a pinch of pain, pero sabi nga nila, tiis ganda lang. No pain, no gain. Perfect na perfect ito sa mga gustong i-transform ang appearance ng kanilang mga lips, especially if you want it to be kissable. Huwag mong panghihinayangan na gastusan ng sarili mo. Sabi nga, the only investment that never fails is investing in yourself because it surely pays the best interest. So what are you waiting for? Magpa-lip tattoo ka na para may magkikis na sa'yo. Charis! Again, this is PN Razon of Lux Beauty International Academy, the professional hands you can trust. Telling you, you do you.